We stay with legal matters. The extradition proceedings for the Ndimande brothers, who are accused of being part of the plot to assassinate rapper Kiernan AKA Forbes and his former manager Tebello Tibz Motsoane, have been adjourned to the 9th of April. Siyabonga and Malusi Ndimande made another appearance in the Manzini Magistrate's Court in Eswatini earlier today. Let's get more details now. Nhlanhla Jele is SABC News Reporter and has been tracking that particular story for us and joins us live now. Nhlanhla, the court, of course, confirming it has received the formal request from South Africa.
Good afternoon to you, Bongiwe, and to our viewers at home. Indeed, as you correctly put it, the state did confirm that they have received the formal application from South Africa. They did say to us in court this morning that the application was sent on the 18th and then a copy was also furnished to the defense. But we also heard in court that the defense was asking for a postponement. So they had a meeting, the state prosecutor and the defense had a meeting and agreed that they can have a postponement just to give the defense time to go through the document, number one, also to consult with the clients in this case being Siyabonga and Malusi Ndimande, and also to consult our senior counsel on this matter to decide whether or not they are opposing the application or they're continuing with the application. We heard also that the court extended the provisional application to detain the cell phones. Remember, when the brothers were arrested late last month, our cell phones were found in their possession and were kept. So last week when we were in court, we saw the state bringing an application to have the cell phones detained. However, it was opposed also by the defense, who was saying later on that proper procedures were not followed. So we do know this case has been postponed for 2 weeks to give the state, not the defense rather, Bongiwe, time just to consolidate and to go through their documents and to ensure that when they come back, then they tell the court whether or not they are opposing or the application can go through. Also important to remember, Bongiwe, is that the defense has been saying that they have conditions that they have put forward depending on what is contained in their application, citing safety as one of the reasons or one of the conditions that they have, whether they will oppose the application or not, saying if they feel their clients are not going to be safe during this process, then of course they're going to oppose. So the nitty-gritties of what is contained in their applications were not really gone into or were not discussed in the meeting at the time in the appearance this morning. So we did see that they asked for a postponement just to give the defense attorney just time to go through the application. Bongiwe.
All right, Nhlanhla, thank you so much for that update there, that comprehensive update from Eswatini. That was Nhlanhla Jele, SABC News reporter.